In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to Zoho Mail. This process is crucial if you're looking to manage your emails efficiently through Zoho using your own personalized domain. Follow along as I guide you through each step to ensure a seamless setup. First, head over to your Zoho Mail homepage. This is your starting point, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon, which is essentially your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up a variety of options, but today we're focusing on connecting your domain, so let's hone in on that. Next, you'll want to find the option labeled Anti-Spam. This might seem a bit unexpected, but Zoho Mail places domain management under this category, so click on it. Once you're in the anti-spam settings, look for a section called Domain. Click on this option to proceed. Now you're looking at a page where you can manage domains. You should see a list of domains already set up, but we're going to add a new one. Look for the Add button, which should be located at the top of the allowed list. Click on Add to begin the process of entering your domain. In the field provided, type in your domain name. Be sure to enter it accurately, as any typos could cause issues with your email setup. It's essential to use the correct domain, especially if you own multiple ones. Once you've double-checked that everything is spelled correctly, you're ready to finalize the process. Finally, click on Add again to confirm your input. And that's it! You've successfully connected your domain to Zoho Mail. This will allow you to manage emails with your own domain name, providing a professional appearance to your communications. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to Zoho's support team. They can offer additional guidance and troubleshoot any problems you might face. Additionally, remember that changes to domain settings may take some time to propagate, so be patient if updates aren't immediately visible. Congratulations on taking this step to enhance your email management with Zoho Mail. By connecting your domain, you're setting up a more personalized and professional communication platform. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.